How to fix YouTube audio video sync error in 2 minutes. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to fix YouTube audio video sync error in just 2 minutes. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's get started. First of all, make sure your YouTube app is up to date. To check, launch Play Store or App Store. Navigate to the search icon and search for YouTube. If there is any update button, select update and update to the latest version. Once updated, check whether your issue resolved or not. If not, long press on YouTube app icon. Select I button. Now navigate to Storage Uses. Tap on Clear Cache. And with that, your issue will be fixed. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.